Hello, my name is Lisa Gray and welcome back to Selby. Right, I'm going to turn the camera around now. It's coming. I got one. There it is. Nice to see you. Oh, that is not running.
Super squeaky. They sound good when they fire up, don't they?
Yeah.
Right, the next one should be the green train.
Yeah. My little brother.
Oh, when they actually get on with each other.
Yeah.
You're so beautiful, both of you. Are you ready? Stay there, don't move forward.
Oh my god. What's that? What's that green train? Oh, yeah, that.
The 37's at the front, so the red one's at the front, Henry.
Is that it?
Is that it?
Yeah.
Sorry, Mr. Yorkshire. Listen, it's going to stop up here, look, so we'll walk towards it. Can you have your hand, please?
Okay. Is it green?
The green one's behind it, can you see it? The library looks good on this one. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? Well, let's see the green one then. Look at this, Harry. We're not getting on it, pal, I'm afraid. You gonna give it a wave goodbye? Change tracks there, look.
I tried.